I'm encouraged, but I also know we have to do a lot of work. And what I mean by that is I do think that there are certain individuals that are just tuning out before they've had opportunity to tune in. They are tuning out because of their own biases. They don't necessarily recognize that it's their lens that's stopping them from growth, that growth mindset. And yet there are many that really want to move the dial, and they're looking at this as a way to bring community together. So they're not just looking at their workplaces as a workplace anymore. They're recognizing that it's now work-life blend. It's not work-life balance, it's work-life blend. That how we progress in the workplace and how we progress at home is so important. And so that's why they want to move the dial. They recognize how important mental health is. So, there's a lot of components that tie to mental health and diversity and inclusion. For example, when we hire people, if it's someone who's Black, if it's someone who's Indigenous, simply because they're Black or they're Asian, that's tokenism. And that can actually have negative impact because it's going to cause potential mental health issues. So here we are trying to be the best of intention, but we're not moving through the space in an intentional way. So I really do think people are coming to the forefront, wanting to do better, be better, wake our consciousness up. They just don't know how to move forward. And I am seeing a lot of encouraging, courageous conversations currently.